Today I'm going to make a quick video on replacing the gas shocks for the hood. I was opening the hood the other day and heard some air releasing and determined it was the shocks. So I bought these shocks on Amazon. Not much to them. They have a little tab here that you stick a screwdriver in to release, to take the old one off. So I'm going to just replace this one. It's pretty easy. So you just pull the tab, kind of releases it. That's all it's to it. Looks like they're the same. Of course, they're made in China, but it looks like it's going to work. Snap it on. Might be a little trickier. Just kind of snaps into place. Looks like that did the trick. It was only one that failed. Yeah, there's no pressure left. This one does say the right side. The ones I bought on Amazon came as a pair. Here's the number. So there's the part number. Again, made in China. But seems to work. Now I got a spare. Looks like they are interchangeable. Oh. Comes with one angle one, which looks like it's for the left side. So the right side is just straight, no angle adapter, and the left side looks like it has an adapter. Yeah. So the left side has this little adapter. Shock, it just screws off. So to replace that head for the angled one, it just unscrews. So too easy. Have a good day.